Thank you for signing up for the New England Trail Ride Series presented by MLO, guided by Ridgeback Guide Service. I am Ron Harrington of Ridgeback Guide Service. Today is a black ride. We are 7 trucks deep today. We'll be on GMRS 22. Everybody's gassed up, aired down. Everybody got their lunch. We will have lunch on trail. We'll not be stopping at any stores. Any questions?
No braking.
No questions? We ready to get out of here?
Ready.
All right, let's roll. Let's roll.
Please take the hard line, Ben. You gotta take the hard line.
Pretty good little section of trail here.
A little creepy crawly action.
Yeah.
Bronco's taking the black stuff in stride though.
Yeah, we've done really well today. Scraping and touching a few things along the way, but
Nothing crazy.
that's probably no fault but the driver.
Yeah. It's been interesting having more than me and Joe in the car. Now we've
Yeah.
actually got someone else to talk to spew our trail thoughts to. You know?
Luke, do you have anything funny to say?
Yeah, do you have anything that you just really want to make a moment?
Something
right
get
now?
off your chest?
Something that's real important.
I would say Bronc Nation.
Yeah, the mood of the day is Bronc Nation.
Bronc Nation. So we're riding around, and this is our first trail ride with the soft top on.
As you can see, it's
how do
open.
we feel about having all this space? I really enjoy.
I
being
really
able
love
to,
it.
Yeah, the top back like this on the trail, and it's not too hot out here in the woods.
Yeah, we got some rain last night, so the roads aren't too dusty.
Yeah.
It's kind of everything came together for a perfect top-down day.
This is
Exactly.
definitely the way to do it out on trail. You don't feel nearly as cooped up in the truck. So I like it a lot. Besides the part where I'm getting sideswiped or top swiped by like tree branches, it's a lot of fun.
Mm-hmm.
Adds to the whole experience.
We're coming up on a tough section here.
There you go. Stay in, Yosh. You got it. Nice, Yosh. You got it. Just go slow. You got traction.
Wow.
Nice job, Yosh.
Nice driver, Yoshi.
Nice driving.
Got it, pal. Nice drive, Joe. Go. You almost there? There you go.
So nice, it reminds us that Sam's in the back.
Yeah. So we don't forget our baby in the back seat.
Our team.
I gave you my son to take care of. I expect you
We've
to
been
take
taking
care
excellent care of him. He has learned many things.
Look, he's not crying. He's happy. Sorry.
Excited for these gyros, man.
Those are for lunch.
What?
That's dinner.
Yeah, I know. I'm pumped. I'm excited that you're excited.
We're prepared with apple and brie turkey sandwiches. And the dogs are over here. Trying to get lucky.
Yeah, follow those lines right there. Yep. Turn into it just a smidge.
Front camera's coming in handy, not being able to see over the rocks.
Oh, we got a tree down.
So we are cruising out to go to one last spot. Pretty tricky area from what I've been told, right?
Yeah, we'll see how it rolls.
Yeah.
It's usually pretty gnarly, so.
Joe's gonna need a ride over.
Hope he has some scuba gear because he's gonna need it.
Ducking. Yeah. That was fun.
It went underwater on me on that other hole.
today we did some black trails. We skipped from town to town. We had one small reroute. We had 4 trees down on one trail. Everybody had a great time. We climbed some ledge. We went through some water holes. We did some technical driving. Nobody really got stuck. A couple small backups and hit it again, and away we went. What a great day.